What's going on, guys? Liz here from Learn Robotics, and today I'm going to be sharing with you how to set up a brand new switch for an Anet A8. Stay tuned. I got this little switch off of Amazon. I'll leave a link below this video on where you can pick one of these up. This is really great because you can then take your new power cord, plug it in, and you've got a really clean setup for turning on and off your Anet A8, and it's also fused. So if there are any problems with the incoming power, it'll flip the fuse and hopefully prevent you from overheating or blowing out your power supply, potentially causing problems upstream at the motherboard. So let's go ahead and we'll wire this up. So the way this works is we've got a ground cable, which is the yellow cable. We'll plug that into slot number 3 on the PSU. You can kind of see under here we've got slots 1, 2, and 3. So we'll plug that into slot 3. The blue wire is our neutral wire. That will go into slot number 2 on the PSU. And the red is our hot or our line wire, and that's going to go into slot number 1. So all you need is a small screwdriver, and you just need to take out the screws a little bit. Just loosen them up. Second wire we will plug in is the neutral. That goes into slot 2. And these are great because they've already got the attachments on the end. So these little forks slide right through the screw. And then you'll take your screwdriver and tighten that down. Just verify that it's fully on there. And you'll see there's a little sticker on the side of the PSU with a switch on the inside. Just make sure you have the correct incoming voltage because you'll fry your PSU if you don't have that set correctly. So I verified the wires on this side. The next step is to take your plug, go ahead and plug it into here. And then the moment of truth, just take it and plug it into the wall, and that's good. Then what you'll do is you'll just go ahead and you'll flip on your switch. And there you go. Your printer will turn on, and that's a wrap. Thanks so much for taking time out of your busy day to check out this tutorial. I hope it helped you out. If you have any questions at all, leave them in the comment section below. Be sure to smash that thumbs up button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.